BOOTSTRACK is an ultimate 8-week skill building and online startup accelerator program for students who are looking for a job and gain real-life on-site experience of a digital nomad in Bali. With over 20 classes, a global community, and an international cohort featuring over 10 countries in an immersive learning experience, students will learn the skills of the future digital marketing while having a guaranteed placement by the end of the program. Bring your own idea and give it a digital life. Exposure to emerging technologies and innovations. Live projects adapt from the work we are currently doing to refine your craft. DIY mindset with a focus on making stuff. Lifetime access to this program's content and our community. Come back as many times as you want. We don't want you to leave. The course is hugely interactive with projects, checklists, and actionable lectures built into every section. Learn step-by-step how to market a business online from scratch across all the major marketing channels. Get real-time feedback and one-to-one online consultation with the master trainer. By the end of this course, you'll be confidently implement marketing strategy across the major online marketing channels. All the strategies, tips, and tools recommended are either free or very cost-effective.